playing some Minecraft Realm.
But first we can't get in.
So I'm gonna try. Oh, it's because that was a new one. Probably it's not like finished yet. So I'm gonna probably play some. Oh, it's not letting me play either. So let's play a different game.
No, just play it. I like it.
Hey guys! Today we're playing some Minecraft Realm, basically kind of Minecraft Realm. I can't see. Yeah, Cake Wars. I love Cake Wars because it's got cake in it. What's it?
Cake Wars is basically like Bed Wars, but you have to protect your cake.
Okay, now it's gonna take a while again. Let's just tell him to blow something. I wanna jump over him. I think if you yeah. I'm as orange team and hey popcorn. But bye. I wish I could jump to this. Yes, I was in the Sometimes I gotta get out. Oh damn it. Yes, fast piece. Oh, what are you doing? What the heck? He's probably upgraded himself. You're a weird person, man. Get out of. Skedaddle. Skedaddle. Blue has catches it. I need the emerald boy. Play. I'm gonna have 60. Skedaddle.
5 Kidovita G-Quirkrum.
What the heck was that? I think it's this thing what always happens, what kinda laggy. It's a laggy one. Oh god, now it's hard to play. Wait. Yeah,
He has lost the emerald point.
I think I lost.
No, we haven't been lost your orange team. Wait, stop, see how close. Aiden, when you go back, I'm just telling my brother something. Aiden, when you go back, but make sure to break your bridge.
I know.
New floating island has been spawned.
Shush. It's gonna.
You're dying.
How?
Is he your team?
Hello. How do you know? A fudge. Oh, dead. Now he's gonna flip and come. Flip. Did he do? Yeah. That's bad. I'm not gonna play this game. It's really lag. So guys, what the heck is this? Okay. City Wider 3D. Yeah. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Shush. Guys, I just smacked Moon in the bum hole. Oh, yeah. Well, that's hard bit.
It cheats.
One says it cheats by jumping.
It jumps you.
No, it doesn't. He thinks that. Who does? I wish I landed that, guys. I just wish I could.
The game sucks.
Wait, guys. I've got a cooler game.
What am I doing?
I got a cooler game. God. No, where is it? Where is it? Hey, Morgan, you seen it? No. Okay.
What game are you looking for?
Oh, that car game. Uh, 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 uh. Oh, no, found it. Oh, no.
Right, guys, we're gonna
No.
play this cool game where you did this. You have a jetpack on.
Found it.
Oh, never mind.
There's gotta be like, this is gonna, video's
Aiden,
gonna be probably
Aiden.
12 minutes long.
You still got the rider music.
Oh my god! Sorry, guys. Better. Morgan, what are you doing? Jeez. Da-da-da. Da-da. Da-da. Yeah? Okay, guys. While I'm waiting, I'm just getting something. Okay, I just had it. Guys, I'm sorry about this. Let's check something, guys. We only have two, I think. Aiden, we only have two.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm back. This. No, we said have a slug tongue. Have a snake tongue. We get a snake tongue, see? I know. And I just talk about something. I'm
gonna play some rider on the phone, guys.
turn it all the way down.
Guys, if you hear some noise, it's me playing some rider on the phone, which is so much better.
I'm just moving the laptop. Hey, Missy. It's our cat.
Nummy.
What? We're not allowed to play motorbike? $2,000? Damn it, we only got 41. I'm fine, I gotta pay us this one. How much do we even have? That's embarrassing. Oh my brothers, please. Waiting. Yeah, probably there's 2 boys. Maybe. Some. I don't remember playing. Guys, when it gets up to like 12 minutes, I'm leaving. So I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna play quicker games because I'm in the dash. Actually, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!